Hello guys, we are back. Graham, did you get your parcel, bro? I don't know if you did or not, but you can see guys, we've just got bolts in here. Like that. Julie's, Julie made up all these washer bags today where these washers go out. So we're unloading, guys. Okay, what have we got next, Jules?
M12 washers.
M12? Those are...
Yep. The button.
Yep, whatever you think, bro. I'm going with whatever. Okay, so M12. So, right, so those, we should have...
Is that these ones?
Should be another... Gosh, how many of those have I used, bro? Should be another box of those. That's alright. Let's open. There's how you buy bolts and nuts, guys. It's the only way to buy it. Oh, look, with different ODs. So, can't put those in the utilities. So, we'll put that right.
Yeah, should we put
side.
these in a big bag and then put those ones in there?
Yes, good thinking, yes, yeah. And you got another one here.
And we'll just label it.
Yes.
Have it next to it.
Yes, good thinking. That's very good thinking. I'm going to get rid of these.
They can all come in here.
These can go on the shelf. These come back here.
What's the difference?
The outside diameters, they're wider, see, mine's thicker and narrower. So these are more light, mine are more heavy. Yep, that's good thinking.
That way we can just keep filling that one up.
Yeah, that's very good thinking. And then if we use for kits, we'll try and find those ones. So we've already unloaded quite a bit of it, guys. We've got a lot more to go.
Do I need any more description in it?
No, that's okay. As long as we can
We
see
already
that.
know.
We know what it is.
So we'll just put that.
You know why? Because look at our sheds, Jules. We're the fastening specialists.
Yeah.
That's how we know. Yeah, that's the one. And then, very safe. There we go. You found the box. Good, bro. This here, this is just... Yeah. Looks like a giant pizza box, doesn't it? Not. Get rid of that. Let's go back to here. I will try assuming we'll do that one. That looks awesome, mate. We'll put this one to the side. Let's go. I know we've got some working. Right, what do we got here? 12 to 35 yellow zinc. Take that one. That's going sort of with this bundle or that bundle, one of them. I'll use that back one.
This is that one, eh?
Hey? Can't see.
No. I can empty this bag. That is that.
No. That's all like that. You see that there? See the thickness? It's twice the thickness. That's,
Alright,
yeah.
okay.
And then put it behind there. So, what's next on that? M8 by 16, M8 round washers, Jules. The zinkies. We'll probably have to change those out.
Which one's that one?
M8. What do you got? How does that compare? put those in a bag and we'll just load up fresh. These are thicker. So, here mates. So basically guys, we're signing it off. Now, we're at 94 subscribers. Thank you to the new subscribers. We need to get to 100. We need 6 guys, 6. And they're doing the voucher draw. Tony, you cannot unsubscribe and resubscribe like I tell you. Tony's a character, good character. I explained to Tony, it's when he hit 100, we'll draw the names, we'll write names, put them in a hat, and we'll do a voucher. So, M8, we have got right there, and yep, that's right, spot on. Yeah, I think start fresh. That looks good, bud, that looks good. And then tomorrow we're going to crack into these 2 crates, guys, because we're still unloading both. Sweet, Julie. All those washers look so good, man. Yeah, look at that. Right, I reckon there's 6,799 in there. Let's chuck him down here. And then we'll just deal with these open ones tomorrow, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, right. What's in this one? What's this box here? It's heavy. 8 by 20. I think these zinkies. I think she just labelled it wrong, bro. I think there's another one of those boxes. I guarantee you. Yep, so remark this. It's not there. She put the wrong label on, guys. 8 by 20. ZP. So that's the same thing. So that one will just go down here too. I'm just grabbing it. Here we go, what's this one? 12 mil, 1235. That one just goes over here. And then we got, hey now, 10 by 30.
What's that button?
Zinc plated 8.8. The seat screw. So we got 3 of those. What's the bolt for this? Yeah, yes.
Well done. So 50 of them, one nuts to serve. M8s.
Yep.
That's full. Awesome.
8.
That's full.
10 by 30. Oh, yep. What have I got for?
We got spares too.
Have we? What have I got for? I don't know.
There's a lot of them too, I did see.
Yeah, right, yeah. Like 12,000.
I can see more than that. Oh, 12,000, yeah.
Yeah, what 12,000? Have we already got them? That's a good delivery. Oh, well, you know what? You never have too many.
Yeah.
Hey, have you met Julie now?
No, I haven't.
Julie's my niece.
Oh, hey, Julie.
Hi, how are you?
Come down.
I got a place for them.
Oh, that'll be there. Get those? No, I've got to make them up some more kits.
Oh, yes, please. There was that today, but that's right. You're talking bulk sets, eh?
Yeah. When do you need those by?
He's just got one there. When can you do it?
We can start it now.
Oh,
I'll just leave that.
no super rush, but like my next, like maybe tomorrow, if that's.
Yeah, no. I'll close off because all I do, I just convert. When you take 3, I need to send it. I just convert the quote 3 times into
Yeah.
3 bags.
Was it the ones we did for John?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We
to
need
make
more.
up- Yeah, we need 3.
Yeah.
We'll make
There's
up
not that many more to go, but there's still a few.
easy. I've got it now. I think we're making up 3.
Do you want to do that now?
Perfect.
Yeah,
No,
I'll give
super
you a
rush.
head
Yep.
I'm working on them,
No, this is a break from this
but change it up a little.
one. Yeah.
All right, thank you guys so much.
You're welcome
All
now.
right, we'll see you later.
See you now. You're gonna have your hand, right?
Yep.
Hey, have you got any start the bastard?
You didn't start here, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what the Aussies call it. Start your bastard.
Don't you bastard? It's good shit,
Yeah. Americans use, tell you what Americans used to watch a lot of vloggers there.
isn't it?
They use brick clean, they use anything that's combustible.
Yeah. Down the V,
Yeah, right.
Woohoo!
Okay.
That's my kind of stuff. Yeah, well, I remember the old man used to pour diesel into
Yes, man, that's
the
right.
tractor,
Yeah.
and at the drag races they pour fuel.
$18.69.
I poured somebody, I put some, what is it? Not inox, the other stuff. The,
WD-40?
yeah, I checked some of that, but it wouldn't.
Nah, I think
It's a bit oily, I think.
yes, it's got too much, it's a much softer, chemical and it has got an oil residue in it, you know? I don't think it's
Nah.
combustible enough.
I'll blow it out.
But I've seen them use brake clean, another thing the Americans do is your car's been sitting for quite a number of years, you
Yeah.
get carbon build up and plugs get seized in it,
Yeah.
they drop ATF fluid down there,
What is it?
automatic transmission fluid down the
Oh,
car.
yeah. And that gets it going.
The car will start,
Yeah.
you won't be able to see anything within about 5 seconds after starting it.
Be all
And what
covered.
it does is it dislodges it all right,
Oh.
and then it helps if you let it sit after that
Mm.
overnight.
Gets
It
into
frees it,
yeah.
frees them up.
Shit, that's good, eh?
I learn a lot just watching YouTube.
Oh, I watched them one day start. There's some program they pulled some old VA out of somewhere.
Yeah,
And they got it going, eh?
yeah, man. There's a lot of YouTubers. There's one guy in America, Dalton. I watch him all the time.
Yeah.
Every week he buys a car. It could have been sitting for 20, 30 years.
And he gets it
He
going.
gets it running. Sometimes it's out where it is. They get it running, and then some cars he does up. Some of them, the floor pans are so rusty, depending on where it comes from. You know, number plates and south tampers, man.
Rock and roll.
Yeah, right.
See you later.
See you, man. Right, now we're making up bulk kits for Johnny. You want to type that 50? Yeah,
Isn't that the bag you want?
yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
I got confused. You made
There are 2 ones.
90.
Yeah. And I'll get you the 12 by 50s, because it's 6 of those, throw them into there. So we get 6 of those, and one for the heat sockets, and my sockets. Oh. I'll get you the 16.
We're just gonna cook it.
Yeah, I'll get, I haven't got your orders out. I'll leave it. I'll get you on April 16th, 24. There we go, guys. It's like climbing Mount Everest. We are on.
What size was that?
8 by 16, I got 24 of them.
No, what you just put in the bag.
12 by 50s.
Okay.
8 by 16. I'll get you 5 or 10 buttons. 12 of those. was $5 to $10 anyway. $5 to $10, 12. Then I'm going to try and find some chain. Chain from here. I could order the chain. Find it somewhere.
What one did you get?
5 by 12. That's it. I'll buy the 2 buttons. I'll just get some chain. I'll get some chain ordered. I think it was 8mm chain. I'll just get some chain and then I'm jumping back on it with your Jules. I'm pretty sure these guys do it. Yep. Yep. Oh wow. This gets scary. And then let's try that's yellow. Oh, hang on. I might have to run out. I don't think they've got it actually. No, I don't think they have. Dudes, you guys, chain, M8 chain, you guys don't have that, do you? You don't do chain anymore, eh? Yeah. No, I don't think you do. I thought it just cheap, but it's not looking good. Yeah. No, that's alright, bro. Leave it with me. Okay then, see you, bro. I'm just trying to find the chain, Jules.
Yeah.
That's for them too. Chains. Down. What's 766? I don't know, bro. I'm just going with this. 8mm. No, this is like freaky, bro. Don't know. What do you get? Like 5? I don't know. Add to cart. Cart. Barrel chain red and white. No. Delete that. Let's go. Gal chain. AMG hot tip galvanized. Oh, how about that? 6, 8. Okay. Those we got 8. 5. What does this give me, right? 8, no. 18.3. Where's the length? 224mm. I don't get it. Okay, we're going out of there. You alright there, Jules?
Yep.
Sorry, bro. I'm just trying to find the. I'm just trying to find the chain. Log in. Products. Chain. Here we go. 14. 10mm, 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 10mm. I'm just going to ring John, bro. I can't remember what, I'm sure the chain was 8 mil. Right? Julie just swore people. Something dropped. Oh no.
It's alright.
It's alright, she's okay.
I've got it all.
She's a soldier.
I've got one extra.
Oh shit, she's giving it away. Little X, there's old Johnny boy. I'm sure it was 8 millimeter. I can't see it, bro. Oh no, that's a red. Think one. Oh, no one pays that, right? Okay, I know how to do it. I know how to do it. We're going to go like this. Get rid of that portal, get rid of that portal, and we're going to go with this portal. No, we're going to go with this portal. Okay, let's go with this one. It's the only way I can think of doing it though. C-H-A-I-N, chain. Chain, changeable. You would have thought change would be so difficult. Okay, let's do this one. I thought it was 8. I'm sure it was 8. I'm sure it's this one. Sure. Oh, change the number. I don't think it's bringing up the delivery or shipping. Okay. Oh, what's this rubbish, bro? I'll get my card in a sec. I'll pay for that one. Thank you, Jules. I'm coming back. Who's texting? Oh, I didn't just close DJI, I don't know. I think it's still recording. Okay. That should be good, right? Oh, yep. AS540. Yep, easy to say. So 200, mate. 36 on each one, mate.
Yeah. So 20. Which we just filled up, isn't it?
Hey?
Right, 21. 8, so 16. 4.
Okay. You getting the 10 by 20s?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Hey, that must be it, Jules, because you've ticked it off.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, awesome. Oh, yeah. And your foot. Awesome, Jules. Jolly just finished it off, guys. Jolly's an absolute machine. And then, let's do it this way, right? There we go. I'll go back to that window. Got so many windows open. There.
Sweet, so that's all it's done.
Yes! I'm going to ring my mates at Pelville, bro. So this is what we do, guys. Everything is full on. We are busy. Hello. Hey, Anthea, it's Glenn from A&J Fasteners. How you going? Good, thanks. Good. Just unloading my goodies coming from China. I know. I could sell power build a lot of bolts in there. A lot. I get some of my money back. Do you guys have, Anthea, you know the nut setters? With the 1/4 inch hex, right? I call them nut setters for Celtics. Yeah, nut driver, that'll be it. Yeah. Do you do a metric M10? No, I don't need 3 out, I need M10. Yeah, because I know that you do the other rate, nut driver. I need M10 because that's what's crazy. How long is it? Yeah, it doesn't feel long. What have you got? Put in an impact blocker? Oh, so they'll snap on it. Okay. Yeah. It's gotta be. Yeah. No. That's right. What about number 2 by 100 square foot? Do you have anything like that? Don't have them? That's all right. No? You're always a good help, and I do appreciate it. So you have a nice afternoon, and we will talk soon. Take it in. Bye. Well, guys, we didn't have much luck there, so we're going to go. Cutting comes soon. Braces, staples. Gosh, I don't know. I'm just going to ring it up. It's easier. Still got to complete my purchase. That's all happening here, guys. Per Sorry? Yeah. Let's have a look, though. What's this one? I don't think this is yours. No, it's not you. On the 4th, you took 15 leads and 32 nuts. That's on 35672. That's right, yes ma'am. No, that's separate, bro. Yeah, I got a separate order number for that, and I've got another 20 coming in tomorrow morning for you. Yes, bro, 82 nuts. Yeah, that'll be here tomorrow. Sweet. You're welcome for that. It's all good then. Bye. Right, that's it, he's happy. And let's do this one. See what happens here. That's been pretty full on, eh? That's been real full on. Remember guys, 6 more subscribers, 100, and then voucher time. Graham, did you get your pack, man? I hope you're happy with it. That's been pretty full on, huh? And it looks like it's going to rain. You're going to get Arnie. I hope you get Arnie. Hey, you know the DeSaltis, the nut setters. Yeah. Do you do any in 10, bro? Yeah, for them. Yep, they're in back day. What are they worth, man? Yep, 10 by 42, 63. What is it, bro? Yep, what are they worth? Please hold on. Stop it. I want to give you $1.10. I don't know if it's not $1.20. And then I need about. Nah, I got some tech screws in, bro, and they are 10 mil. Yeah, they were meant to be 3, eh? So I need 5 of those, bro. You sorted out the discount, Amy? Oh, cool. Am I back to my 50, bro? Yep, will you amend that as well? Yep. And what have you got on the wall number 2 by 100 square drive? That's about 75s. What have you got? 252. Send me out 10 of those, bro. Yep. Use all of the glue on it, man. I'll do the paperwork tomorrow, and those 10 nut sets will be going ongoing, bro. Because I've got a lot of things to test here. Oh, hey, what are the 1/4 inch with? Have you got a 1/4 in it? Do you have a 1/4 and do you have an N6, bro? I've got some 12.
They open up right.
Yeah. Okay, I need one of those and I need a 6 mil because I don't know what my 12 gauge is. I don't have one. I've never really done this. I don't really carry the. Do you?
Yeah.
You know what? Just give me one of those, bro. I don't know which one fits it. Otherwise, I've got the lockdown and thinking see that might get to me here. But I'm always happy to do a deal, bro. No, that's cool, man. And what we do, will you issue a credit or will you just redo that invoice, man?
Nuts.
I'll get a bag.
Yep. No, that's cool. Thank you for fixing it, man. Hey, thanks, Arnie. See you, dude. Hey, going, Jimmy? Yeah, bro, you want to buy some bolts, man? Let us help you out with some bolts. You just come up here and we'll start loading and charging. Jimmy's got lots of money. Oh, you're on our YouTube, Jimmy. 2, 4, 6. So, we got 3 bags sorted for John, so that's happy days for tomorrow. That keeps him going. And I got a feeling we're probably not making another 10. Whew. What's this one?
What you want to do is when you sell
10 by 2.
it,
Stuff's never light. It's never light.
some,
My shit's always heavy. Which one you looking for, Jimmy?
sell them some,
In 12 nuts. I'm gonna put through.
some degrees, some lubrication for it. Because man, I put them together and glued up, can't get them undone.
Oh, Jimmy, I thought you.
I know, they're brand new, brand new.
I know, but they can bind.
Oh, man.
Did you use a rag?
No, I just put it in my hand and it just.
Lanolin, grease,
Yeah.
I'm not either one, but just use
I just use some. I've got some.
your grease.
So, code for the M12?
Oh.
Yep.
Yep, so go, yep, NS4, N12,
Or M.
yep, so
N.
NS4,
MS.
4, yep, M for Mary. Oh, no, N for Nelly, sorry.
Did you
Yeah,
do
N for
that?
Mary. Oh, there's PPC.
Yep. N.
How do you have a forklift?
No, belt trolley.
Oh, you got a belt trolley.
4, S4, oh S4, sorry, S4, N12. That's it.
Where's your imperial bolts?
Oh, down here, Jimmy.
Is that right? 42.
Yeah. 12, 12.
What side?
inches.
Down here.
Down here. You gotta watch your step, Jimmy.
Oh, you don't tell me that. Where's your high vis jacket?
What's that?
Put your high vis jacket on.
Why don't you use common sense?
Common sense like you. You don't need to have a fucking you.
I do. What's that? Oh, what are they?
UNC
Yeah.
by probably about
Yeah. What diameter?
half inch UNC.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna be somewhere around here. Sure.
What head size have we got?
Oh, don't tell me you want the undersized head like old Ghost does.
About 4.
And your next one, Jules,
Yep.
CBS6, that's your coach bolt. CBS6, they're inches. M10 by 40.
What do you mean 10?
No, your coach bolts.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
See, I did H.
You were
Yeah.
close, but you get it. And then your next one, what else have you got in there?
That's it.
Trip hazard there.
That's it.
Common
Trip
sense.
hazard there.
4. Now, if you keel over, I'm not giving you mouth to mouth, man. Kick him in the ribs. Go on. 4. B-S-B-I-Z.
B-S.
B-I-Z.
B-I-Z.
Half. 1, 2. And that's your top line.
Yeah.
Okay. And then make those dollar each. That's Jimmy.
Where's that cheap brake cleaner?
Oh no,
Up the top.
I've only got the CRC at the moment.
Yeah.
I know.
Your one's better.
I know. Oh, we'll get some good.
Actually, I told you about that Ken 1A.
Yes, you did.
High speed spray. Man.
It's got high velocity, ain't
Yeah.
it? That's it. And then you print that off and you take your money.
Take the money off the
Take the money and
Hey,
run.
have you got any big stickers like this, don't you have fastenings?
Yep. What you eat, Jules? Oh, hang on. Let me grab your fresh batch.
A fresh one.
Grab some fresh ones. We've got it all, Jim.
Hey, how big are stickers you got?
Um,
How big are your graphics? That big?
that big.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's
No
all
bigger?
I got. No, that's all I got.
Give us 2.
Yep.
I'll put them on my woody bar on my drag bike.
Cool, man.
This is weird.
Jimmy's a good sticker. You know what? I wasn't going to drink today, but I think I might. No, I really wasn't.
I went to the
I think I might.
specialist today
Yeah.
about cancers and what have you.
Oh, yeah?
She said, you've got to drink. I said, I don't drink water.
I was waiting for the rest of it.
So I don't drink water.
Mm.
Why don't you drink water? Because what are fish doing it? Fuck, drinking water.
Oh, that reminds me, Mrs. told me last night. I got one more round. Oh, here's your daughter. Dang. I've got one more round of drugs.
Oh shit, I got it.
Yeah, oh yeah, you take off. I've got one more round of drugs and then I'm out. My doctor retires and I've got to come here.
Thanks, William.
Oh yeah.
There you go,
Oh,
Jimmy.
okay,
No, it's
bye.
working. You have a good night, Jules.
Yeah, no, thank you. Sorry.
Hey, Rama, how you going?
Thank you.
Hey, you're on YouTube too, Rama. Everyone's on YouTube. Hello.
Alright, cool. I'll see you tomorrow
There we
then.
go, Jimmy.
Alright,
Have a good night,
See you,
Jules.
bye.
See ya.
Bye.
See you, bye. Troy. 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Good man, good man, good man. Incorrect. And please don't tell me it came to me. Oh man, it's been a day, Jimmy.
Here, I'm going to say, what do you drink? What do you need? Drink water. I said, I don't drink water because fish fucking it.
Listen. Yeah, well, nothing wrong with a little bit of alcohol. If you get sick, you have a few little
Well, I
shots
was
of
in
whiskey
hospital
in there.
getting my liver taken out,
Yeah.
my kidney taken out. They kept making me drink water and water and water and water. And I got like a fever.
Yeah.
My fucking temperature was up through the roof and fucking everything. The surgeon come in and he said, what are you doing to him? Oh, we're making him drink all this water. He don't drink fucking water, he drinks fucking beer.
Is that what he said? Really, man?
So we stopped drinking fucking water.
Yeah, because you see,
Just flushing my sodium out.
yeah, pretty much.
Should I?
Ah,
If you ever get any bigger ones, mate, put them on a really bar on the drag bike.
yeah, no, we'll get some bigger ones made at some stage.
Yeah.
Because with summer coming in, I've got the short polos I got off their stuff,
Yeah.
but I want to get some t-shirts done as well.
Fuck that when I was doing it. Fuck. All those other ones I did, they were fucking like 1.5 mil to 10 mil, so that meant 2 nuts.
Yeah.
2 stainless nuts on, then cut them off the grinder. Anyway, fucking, yep. So then there's 4 on the fucking, fuck what I fucked it. It's double fucking 10 mil steel. So
Oh.
1.5 and so it's 21.5 cuts fucking in pieces.
Oh no.
So I thought, believe me, I've been on.
That's not like you. You're usually pretty savvy with
Fucking
it.
I was just too much fucking
Too
speed.
much rush.
Too much speed.
Yeah, it happens, man.
Good boy, thank you.
You're welcome, Jimmy.
Right.
Have a good night, man. Well guys, I'm probably going to cut it there. It's been a bit of a mish today, which has been a good mish. Now remember to like, subscribe and share. 6 more guys, and then we do the draw. We will draw it, and it will be a voucher. Jay, thank you for coming aboard. Jay's from America. Think more towards the Canadian region. Glad to have you, Jay. So until the next ones, guys, peace. I'm out.